There are many, but not so many in this part of the world because it's new. And insurance is a very mature business. It takes a bit of time to change. Okay? So we have some here, but not a lot. US is very common. If you are a farmer in US, this area yield program has been there for donkey years. So what they do is they buy a cover for the yield for any particular state. If the yield drops, insurance pays. That's it. Right? But they can't do it. Why not? Because the US yield data is 100 over years worth of data. And all accurate. Right? And all accurate. Now data is very important for yield. Right? I've done this in certain countries. Because there's so many people here, so I don't tell which countries. The fact is that during the first 10 years, they calculated the yield this way. The next 10 years, they calculated the yield this way. So you cannot use the data because how to calculate the real risk? It's not possible. Whereas in US, the way they have done the collection of the yield and the way they assess the yield has been the same all along. Right? So you can use the data as an underwriter. You're comfortable to use the data, and it's actually all uniform and homogeneous. It's not suddenly using another method. Okay, so for example, there's the new data issued by the US State Department. So it's there. Of course, as I mentioned, in Asia we also have a lot of this data, but I guess we've got to be more careful because some of the data is not accurate. Rainfall is a very common thing, right? So we have also done this in South America with banks, and this is embedded data. So what we do is that we actually put in rainfall data, excess rainfall data. If it's too much rainfall for the farmers when they take loan. So when they take loan, right, if it's too much rain, no yield, cannot sell, cannot pay you back the loan, right? So we embed this in the event that the rainfall is too much, right, the beneficiary is the bank. I think Malaysia, they also tried to do this. I've been I tried to speak to 2 agriculture ministers. Now I think it's been very politically difficult to do it, but in principle, this is what can be done. You can embed it into it so that the bank itself is safe. Right?